Chapter 8 Simple Programming in Scratch. Learning Objectives. After studying this chapter, students will be able to add a new sprite from the library, modify the sprite's appearance, add a new backdrop, add text in backdrop, create speech for a sprite, understand events block, add a sound from the library. Get ready. Hey Blocks Builder, in the previous chapter you learned about a few blocks and the interface of the Scratch window.
Yes, Inbo, I have learned about Scratch blocks such as motion, looks, and my blocks, among others.
Great! Now write the name of the following components of the Scratch window. Project Quiz Game in Scratch. Let us create an interesting quiz using various sprites and blocks. Today, we are going to create a fun quiz in Scratch where people will learn about different animals.
This is fun, but why is it important to learn about animals?
Great question. Animals play a crucial role in our ecosystems. They help maintain balance in nature. By learning about animals, we understand their importance and how to protect their habitats.
That's awesome. Let us start.
Adding a new sprite from library. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch, but we can also insert a new sprite. To do so, click on Choose a Sprite button. You will see 4 options to insert a sprite. These are Choose a Sprite. You can pick one from Scratch's built-in library. Paint. You can draw a new one. Surprise. This option randomly adds a sprite from the library. Upload sprite. You can upload an image you already have as a sprite. To add a new sprite, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Choose a Sprite button. Step 2. Select any sprite. For example, select Abby. Now, delete the existing sprite cat or default sprite. To delete it, follow these steps. Step 3. To delete a sprite, select the default sprite and click on the delete icon in the top right corner of the sprite in the sprite pane. Step 4. After deleting the default sprite, add 2 more sprites, zebra and giraffe, on the stage. Step 5. Sprites are added on the stage. Changing the appearance of the sprite. You can change the appearance of a sprite by changing its costume. The Looks block category in the block menu has instructions to change the appearance of the sprite. By clicking on the Costumes tab, you can see the different costumes for your sprite. To change the appearance of the sprite, follow these steps. We will use Flip Horizontal option to flip the zebra towards Abby. Step 1. Click on the sprite Zebra. Step 2. Click on the Costumes tab. Step 3. Different costumes available under the Costumes list for the selected sprite will appear. Step 4. Click on the Flip Horizontal option. Step 5. After clicking, the sprite will be flipped horizontally. Step 6. Similarly, flip the sprite Giraffe. Step 7. Final look of the sprites. Adding a new backdrop. Similar to a sprite, you can change the background of the stage using the backdrop button. Scratch provides 4 different options to change the backdrop of the stage. They are Choose a Backdrop, Paint, Surprise, Upload Backdrop. Now, let us add an interactive background for our quiz game. Step 1. Click on the Choose a Backdrop button. Step 2. A window appears containing various backdrops. Select Canyon Backdrop. Step 3. The selected backdrop will appear. Add text in background. To add text in the backdrop, follow the steps. Step 1. Click on the stage icon. The backdrop screen appears. Step 2. Click on text and drag onto the backdrop area. Step 3. Write the text as shown in image. You can also change the font style and color of the text. Making a sprite say something. You can make your sprite speak like a character in a comic strip. It is time to making our sprites ready to asking a question for quiz. Step 1. Select sprite Abby. Step 2. Click on the Looks block category. Step 3. Click on Say block and drag on the coding area. Change the text of Say block and write, "Hello kids, I am Abby." Step 4. Following the same, add 3 more Say block as shown. Step 5. Click on the Control block category. Step 6. Drag the Wait block and update the value from 1 to 5 seconds. Step 7. Click on the Looks block and drag 2 Say blocks. Snap in below Wait block and write the text. Step 8. Drag a Wait block and update the value from 1 to 3 seconds. The script for Sprite Abby is done. Repeating actions. The repeat block of the control block category is used to repeat the actions of the sprite as many times as needed. This block runs the blocks inside it a specified number of times. The repeat instructions control the execution of the program. Let us make use of this block in our project. Step 1. Click on the control block category. Step 2. Click on the repeat block snap in between wait block and change its value to 2. Adding events in project. Events blocks in Scratch are used to manage the events which trigger the movement of the sprite. This block enables the script to run when the green flag is clicked. This block triggers an action when any key is pressed. Let us use these blocks in our project. Step 1. Click on the Events block category. Step 2. Drag the green flag and stack it above the blocks. Step 3. Drag the When key pressed block on the coding area. Step 4. Drag Switch Costume block from Looks block category and select Abby D from the drop-down.
Inbo, I also want to add a sound. No problem, we can make use of the sound block.
Adding sounds. Sound block has instructions to make the sprite speak, add musical notes, and do more. Let us use these sound blocks in our project. Step 1. Click on the Sounds tab. Sounds window will appear. Step 2. Click on Choose a sound and a window will appear. Step 3. Click on Search box and type clapping. The clapping sound will appear. Step 4. Click on the Sound block category in Block menu and drag the Start Sound block. Step 5. Snap it below the Switch Costume block. The clapping sound has been added. Step 6. Click on the Looks block and drag Say block. Change the text and value as shown in script. Step 7. Drag the Switch Costume block and change costume to Abby A from the drop-down. Now, copy the same code to reuse it. To copy the block code, click on the required block and right-click. Step 8. The list with 3 options will appear. Click on Duplicate. Step 9. The block is duplicated on the coding area. Now, we need to update the value of duplicate script in the coding area. Note, to add the alert sound, again search sound with the name alert and it will be added to the sound block category. Step 10. Change the value of when block from the drop-down list to 2. Step 11. Change the costume to Abby D. Step 12. Drag Start Sound block and select Alert from the drop-down. Step 13. Similarly, update the Say block and switch costume as shown in script. The final code script for Abby is completed. Now it is time to write the code for sprite, zebra and giraffe. Step 14. Click on Zebra Sprite. Step 15. Drag the given blocks. Step 16. Do the same for giraffe. This code will hide the animal sprites from the backdrop. Step 17. Click on green flag to run the quiz game. Step 18. Click on Stop button to stop the script. The quiz game will start and Abby will ask the questions. After that, the sprites will appear according to the answer given by you.
This quiz will not only be fun but also educational. It will not only enhance your coding skills but also teach you more about animals and their importance in the ecosystem.
Recap. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. You can change the appearance of a sprite by changing its costumes. You can make your sprite speak like a character in a comic strip. The repeat block is used to repeat the actions of the sprite as many times as needed. Sound block is used to make the sprite speak and musical notes, etc.